Hello, welcome back again. So today we're making a face cream. This face cream is going to help fade off dark spots, remove hyperpigmentation, hydrate and moisturize the skin, help clear any skin or face blemishes. Is going to help to control your acne. As time goes on and you're using this face cream, you will see that your face will become brighter. If you have hyperpigmentation or spots, you will notice that all these blemishes will start fading off with time. Make sure you're consistent with this cream. So first of all, you need a scale, you need a clean bowl so that your cream will not spoil. So you need a scale. If you're following me on this page, please try and get a scale. So I am using my aloe vera as my base. This is going to serve as my base for my cream. So I'm adding in my aloe vera, which I'm using as a base. So this is my aloe vera. Next I'm going to add in other ingredients. So I am using my alpha arbutin powder. So I'm adding in alpha arbutin here. So this is my alpha arbutin. This alpha arbutin helps to fade out dark spots. It helps to brighten or lighten the skin. So I'm going to add in my alpha arbutin here. Please, you need a scale. Don't just assume these powders, because these powders are actually powders you shouldn't abuse. So I'm going to stir this. You need to stir it very well. So stir it until the alpha arbutin is completely dissolved. Alpha arbutin dissolves easily. So you can see it has dissolved. So we are trying to make this aloe vera to brighten the skin, to brighten the face, okay? Not just adding oil and assume it's going to do the work. So you got to add in a brightening powder or lightening active or lightening ingredient. So you can see it is completely dissolved and transparent. So next I'm going to add in another ingredient. Right here I have my vitamin C oil. This is called tetrahexyascorbate. It's a type of vitamin C that is oil soluble. You can add this into your face cream, into aloe vera gel, into any kind of base you want to add, as long as you want to have that vitamin C effect in your cream. You can add it into your lotion also. So you see, you don't need to actually get vitamin C serum if you're using this aloe vera cream. You don't need vitamin C serum, trust me. Please, you need a scale. Please get a scale. Scale is very, very important. Can you see what is happening here? Can you see what is happening? You don't need vitamin C serum, please. When you do this, you don't need vitamin C serum. So we've added in vitamin C, we've added in alpha arbutin powder, and both ingredients are skin lightening ingredients. You can see I'm just making a little batch that I'm going to use for myself. So next I'm going to add in vitamin E. Yeah, you need to add in vitamin E. This is my vitamin E. Vitamin E is very, very important. You only need a little. Please check out the measurements on the screen. I'll be dropping all measurements on the screen. You need a little of vitamin E. So next we need to add in our humectant, which helps to moisturize the skin, and I'm adding in vegetable glycerin because I need ingredients that will also help to moisturize my skin properly. So this is our cream. So next we need a preservative. Because we added in lightening powders, we added in vitamin C oil, we added in vitamin E, we added in ingredients aside from the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel is already preserved, so if even I poured only oils here, I don't need to add preservative. But because I added in lightening powders, I added in active ingredients, so I need to preserve this. Stir this very well. This is not going to change color, it's going to look creamy the way you've just seen it. So stir very well, stir very well, give it a nice stir. You don't need fragrance because this is already smelling good. The aloe vera gel smells good. This is a facial cream, so you don't need much. So this is going to lighten the face. It's going to help clear out hyperpigmentation, spots. It's going to give you a fine face. It's going to slow down your aging process and keep you looking sweet, sustain, keep you looking everyday young. So this is so simple to make. Just get all these ingredients, and if you want to get some of the ingredients I use in making this tutorial, you can just go to my website at www.hbmorganicbeauty.com, and then you're going to see contact list to where you can actually get ingredients, so you can purchase from there. Anywhere you are in the world, you're going to see different contact lists that you can buy skincare ingredient from. This is so moisturizing. This is not oily. It absorbs straight into the skin. It's suitable for fair skin, caramel skin, and for a dark skin that wants to have a caramel skin. It is also suitable for a person with dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, or combination skin. So anybody can actually use this. It is natural, it's not going to damage the skin, and you can also use this to repair the skin. Like if you have uneven skin tone, like your face is not even, you're having sunburn, you're having spots, hyperpigmentation, apply this morning and night. And when you apply this in the day, make sure you apply sunscreen 30 minutes after you've applied this on the face. So kindly like and share this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.